All right, so it's summertime, everyone's grilling, we're spending a lot more time at home, which is awesome, right? But we want to find fun new ways to put things on the grill, not just your regular hamburger or hot dog, okay? So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do shrimp kebabs, okay? And sometimes they can get a little tricky, all right? You might just think you're gonna put the shrimp, vegetables, and you're gonna throw them right on the grill. But with shrimp, you wanna use 2 skewers, okay? So that you are able to place them on the grill and you have easy access to flip them over without the shrimps going all over the place, okay? Quick trick, you want to, if you are using wooden skewers, you want to soak these for at least a half an hour, okay? You can use just regular water, but to add a little bit more flavor to infuse into your proteins, put a little seasoning in there. You can use Old Bay, Cajun seasoning, orange juice, anything that's going to give your shrimp, vegetables, steak, anything that you're going to make a kebab with a little bit more flavor. So here we are going to place on the grill. And these skewers, shrimp are pretty quick when it comes to grilling. So I would say 2-3 minutes on each side. The best part about shrimp to figure out when they are done is they go from blue to orange and you're gonna be all set. So I like to give them a little bit of, like a little lime juice, little squeeze, add just a little bit of citrus and a little cilantro right on top. And then we will close this and come back to them in about 2-3 minutes. All right, so after about 6 minutes, 2 minutes on each side, our shrimp are perfectly grilled and they've stayed intact. You'll notice that the skewers are a little charred, but what they didn't do was catch on fire because we soaked them for about a half hour in the liquid, which prevented them from flaming up. So again, 2-3 minutes on each side for the shrimp, and you have beautiful shrimp skewers.